Starting a dropshipping business involves these key steps. 1. Choose a niche. ***, select a niche or product category. 2. Research and select suppliers. ***, find reliable dropshipping suppliers. 3. Set up an online store. ***, use an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. 4. Add products and set prices. ***, create product listings and establish competitive pricing. 5. Set up payment gateway. ***, enable secure payment processing. 6. Implement marketing strategies. ***, use digital marketing to drive traffic, social media, SEO, email. 7. Optimize and test. ***, regularly monitor and improve your store and marketing efforts. 8. Launch and scale. ***, launch your store and gradually scale your business based on performance.